this is Carissa from the Community Library of the Shenango Valley. Today I'm going to be showing you my favorite recipe for muffins. This is one I take to a couple staff meetings every year when we have staff meetings at the library. And I will go ahead and put the recipe where I found it from in the message section of this video, just so that if you want to look at it up later and actually just have the list there, you can. But I'm going to show you my favorite recipe, and let's go ahead and get started. So a couple things you're going to need. You're going to need muffin pan. I've already got mine with the liners in them. You're also going to need an oven. Making muffins. Your oven's going to need to be at 350. So if you want to go ahead and preheat that before you go ahead and get this started, go ahead and do that. You're also going to need bananas. Today's banana muffins. You're also going to need old bananas. This works best with old bananas. The really ripe ones, they don't turn out quite as well. The older the banana, the better it goes. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and put our butter in. This is half a cup of butter, so 1 stick, and it's softened, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in now. Alright, and then we're also going to go ahead and put our sugar in so that it creams really nicely with the butter, and that's 1 cup of white sugar. We're going to go ahead and put that in. And as you can see, it's really mixing it all well together. We're creaming it. Alright, and at this point, we're going to go ahead and add our bananas. I went ahead and did 3 bananas. You could do 4. I've done it with 4 before. If you're going to do 4 bananas, I make them softer, but I tend to go with just 3. So we're going to go ahead and dump those in. I'm going to keep racking up a pile of dishes for me to do later. And at this point, we're going to start seeing a little more of a creamier texture between the butter and the sugar and the bananas. Now we're going to go ahead and add 2 eggs. This recipe calls for 2 eggs. I've got 2 eggs right here. We're just going to go ahead and put those in. Alright, and once your eggs are in, we're going to put the secret ingredient. This recipe actually uses sour cream. So it's 3 tables of sour cream. We're going to go ahead and put that in. This gives them a really nice, moist flavor texture to them. Once that's nice and incorporated, other ingredients, we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Go ahead and dump that in there. And I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we're going to dump that in. Alright, and we're going to add our flour. We're doing, let's see if it's on both sides, 2 cups of flour. Just kind of move that around a little bit so that when I turn this on, you all don't see a powder explosion. Right. cakey batter texture. Last but not least, in these times, what would we be without chocolate? So we're going to go ahead and put some chocolate in. Now the recipe calls for 3/4 of a cup. I am not going to tell you you only have to put 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips in because we all need chocolate. So we're going to go ahead and put that in. And just give it a nice little mix so that we've got our chocolate chips just really nice and in the mixture so that we can make sure that everybody gets chocolate chips because nobody wants a muffin without the chocolate chips. So I'm sure not everybody has as giant of a pan as I do, but I do love my giant pan. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill these, and then I'm going to go ahead and bake them. Now these bake for about 20 minutes. As long as your oven runs hot. If it runs a little cool, it might take a little longer, but generally 20 minutes is a standard. I've done these in 2 different ovens and pretty much 20 minutes has worked. A couple of things to note. Go ahead, once you bake them, pull them out, let them cool off. I would let them cool completely, and then you can go ahead and throw them in a Ziploc bag. I have had these muffins last for a full week in a Ziploc bag out of full sunlight. Put them in sunlight, they do not last a full week, I guarantee that. But definitely if you let them cool completely, if you do put them in the bag hot, they're going to get some condensation and they're going to go bad faster. But definitely if you let them cool completely and put them in a nice, double Ziploc bag, then it's going to last you for about a week. I know the recipe does not say that it comes out with a full 2 dozen of muffins. I guarantee you, if you do this, it's going to come out with like almost a full 2 dozen muffins, depending on how, if you're one of those people who use like a ton of muffin mix in your liners, but I only fill mine about 3/4 of the way up anyway. So if you only do about 3/4 of the way up in the cupcake liner, then you're going to get about a full 2 dozen. All right, well, I'm really glad I got to share with you my favorite recipe. I'm going to go ahead and scoop these. I'm not going to make you watch me scoop all of them or watch and wait while we wait 20 minutes for the oven to bake them. But I will post the picture of these finished ones as the thumbnail for this video, so you will get to see that I actually did bake them and they did turn out. Don't forget, since today is Tuesday, we've got Trivia Tuesday tonight. It's going to be Disney. So if you're really interested this is a great one if you want to get your kids involved in this one. Definitely come do Trivia Tuesday nights with me live on Facebook. Tomorrow, don't forget, Vicky, she's going to be doing our Lego builds. She's got, I think, 3 different story times. She's got the live stream read aloud at noon. Definitely check her out. And on Thursdays, Kira's going to be doing some more teen stuff. I know she's got a couple things in the works between her tinkering, and I think she's going to be doing a teen reads thing again, so definitely check her out. And like always, take a look at her page on Mondays and Fridays for either a self-care tip on Monday or something on Friday that's a little more uplifting. I know we've got some special messages in the works and you're going to really enjoy those. So don't forget to keep an eye on our Facebook page. We're going to have a lot for you guys. If there's something you'd like to see, or you'd see, if we could do it, go ahead and shoot us a comment or a message on Facebook. I'd be happy to take them. And if you make the muffins, I would love to see the picture of your muffins in the comment section on this video. So thank you guys and have a great day.